This next exercise is one of the coolest exercises you will ever learn on this instrument. This is our B-flat scale. The B-flat scale is important because you see it in all kinds of music, from band music to rock music to movie music. Every kind of music that you will play will use our scales. The scale that we will be playing right now is the B-flat scale. Every note in this B-flat scale is a note that you already know. Let's go over it and play it together. It starts on B-flat. We're going to work our way up to C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Let's play it together. Ready? 1 and 2 and say the notes, go. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. To repeat it, here we go. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat going down, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, 2, 3, 4, stop. Congratulations, you just played your B flat scale. This scale is going to help you play all kinds of music if you know what notes you're playing. Finally, we made it to We Will Rock You. Let's play it together. The rhythm for We Will Rock You is made up of half notes. Those get 2 beats per note. When we get to measure 3 and measure 4, you have quarter notes. Remember, quarter notes are only played for 1 beat. Then in measure 3, the last half of measure 3 has a half rest. That is 2 beats of silence. Measure 4 also has a half rest. We'll play it from the beginning. When we get to the last measure, we'll repeat back to the beginning. Please say the note names out loud and play it with me. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and number 5, go. E flat, D, C, B flat, C, C, rest, C, C, rest. E flat, D, C, B flat, C, C, rest, C, C, rest. Great job. Now, one of my favorite things to do when practicing is to speed it up. Once you get good at playing things slowly, you want to slowly speed it up. Let's try it at a faster pace. 1 and 2 and ready and go. E flat, D, C, B flat, C, C, rest, C, C, rest. What's that? You want it even faster? Let's do it. 1, 2, ready, go. E flat, D, C, B flat, C, C, rest, C, C, rest. Repeat. E flat, D, C, B flat, C, C, rest, C, C, rest. Wow, you now know how to play We Will Rock You. This piece of music is played at basketball games, we play it in pep band, you play it all over the place, and congratulations, you now know how to play it. If you need practice on any of these exercises, please feel free to pause it, rewind it, and practice it. You have done great work and you're putting a lot of good effort in. Keep up the good work and you will be a great percussionist in no time. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.